Hi, this is a webinar on the Classes tab in the ThinkWave Solo Gradebook. First, click on the Classes tab. Here is where you can add classes or edit classes currently in the system. Here on the left, you can select the quarter or semester from the drop-down menu, and here the class you want to edit. To add a class, click Add Class at the top left. Here you can enter the course name, and here you can select the terms. Here you select the period for that class. You can customize it further. I'll get into that in a moment. And here you can click to enroll students one by one. I'll show you how to enroll students in bulk in a second. Once you enter the information, click Save. Back to the Classes tab, and on the upper right-hand side, click Enrollment. And here you can quickly enroll all of the students by clicking the checkbox at the top. You can display the students by a specific group by selecting the pull-down at the top left. This would be useful if you want all the students in a specific grade level or a custom group to be enrolled in the same class. You can also select Late Add or Early Withdraw for a student here. Back to the Classes tab. And here you select how many credits a class is worth. And here the type of grade scale for that class, such as letter grade or percent. You can customize the grading type by going to Setup tab and under Grading, click School Final Grade Scales. To add a custom grade scale, click the Add Grade Scale link at the top left. Then you can add the name of the grading scale. We'll go into grading scales in more detail in another video. Back to the Classes tab. And under Grades, you can select whether or not that class counts for honors, and here whether or not to exclude it from report cards and transcripts. Here you can add any optional tags for that class, and here the section number. Here you can select the terms for the class, and here the meeting location for that class. Here you can customize the schedule for the class. You can select the period from the pull-down menu on each day, or you can select No Meeting. You can customize the periods, so for instance, if you have a class that meets all day, or has an A-B schedule. To do this, go to the Setup tab, and under Schedule, click on Periods. Then click Add next to the period. Enter the name, the start and end times, and whether or not to record the attendance for that period. Back to Periods, and to edit a period, click on the name. You can also delete unused periods by clicking on the Delete icon on the lower left. We go into more detail on schedules and periods in another video. Now back to the Classes tab. And here, below the schedule, you can add custom standards and skills. Click the Edit icon. You can add already created standards and skills to a class by clicking on the checkboxes here. Here on the right, you can create or edit the optional category names. Once you select a standards and skills, click Save. Or you can add new standards and skills by clicking the Create or Edit link at the top left. Just enter the name and whether or not you want to include in report cards and transcripts. Then you can arrange the order by dragging and dropping. Then click Save. Here below the standards and skills, you have the option of adding sections for that class. Add the section name here, and here add the terms it applies to. Here the period, the location, and the option to enroll students. Back to the Classes tab. And at the bottom, you can delete a class by clicking the Delete icon at the bottom. You have to have no students enrolled in the class before you can delete it, so you can't accidentally delete a class. And these are the options available in the Classes tab in the ThinkWave Solo Gradebook. Thanks for watching.